Hello everyone, how are you all and what's up? How's your trading going everyone? So today I'm back with a quick analysis again on Bitcoin, Ethereum, what is happening in the market and what can happen, and some very important analysis. I hope you saw the thumbnail that no one is talking about. So let's get into the charts. First and foremost, I am breaking down the full analysis and explaining the logic of what the chart is saying that you saw in the thumbnail of this video. So as we all know, the Bitcoin price was pumping incessantly to the upside, and right now I will say it is immensely important for the price to come down or a breakdown to the downside. It is very important because a straight move like this usually not happens in the market, and when it happens there are chances that the price reverses to the downside also for some time. So I just found a price action, or you can say a quick analysis that can stimulate the price to go to the downside. So let me show you. So the price was pumping quite heavily since 13th and 16th of October. As we clearly see that there are gaps left behind in the Bitcoin futures chart. Right here, this one gap, right here, this one gap also, and here also to the upside. This gap here, then this, and then this. So there are chances that the price can reverse down from here and then can fall incessantly to the downside to complete these gaps, to fill up these gaps also, because there are chances that 90% there are chances that usually the price moves to the downside to cover up these gaps, and here there are 3 gaps in a row. So what I think is that this small price action can stimulate the price of Bitcoin to fall down. So yeah, that's why I'm bearish right now. And also the price of Bitcoin has not broke a one important level. Yes, there is a one important major resistance. If you have watched my previous video, I hope you know, but those viewers who are beginner in trading, so let me explain you quickly what is that main resistance and will the price break it, and if the price breaks it, then where it can go. So before I show you a price action, let me show you a very important tweet that I just did yesterday. So I just shared with you guys a quick analysis that I have drawn 2 Fibonacci tools, and the common point of resistance is coming at $36,000 for the Bitcoin price. Approx $36,000 level is coming both for these 2 Fibonacci resistance. I will explain you right now in couple of minutes what is that. And if the price breaks that important level of resistance, then it can incessantly go to the upside easily till this $48,000 level, and then it can stimulate the price and it can stimulate the bulls very easily till $48,000 level. So let me show you this chart. Let me explain you guys what I'm right now trying to say. So because I know there are many beginners here who doesn't understand this, and it's okay, I will explain you all in my live video. So first try to understand, I have drawn this Fibonacci level. Okay, so first try to focus on this Fibonacci tool, this Fibonacci that I have drawn here. I've drawn this from this high, all-time high of Bitcoin, to right now the recent low of Bitcoin at $15,000. I've drawn this bearish Fibonacci. Okay, so second Fibonacci that I have drawn is from this swing high of Bitcoin, which is at approx $48,000 levels, to the same low, recent low at $15,000 level. So this is the second Fibonacci from 48 to 15. and this is the first Fibonacci from the all-time high of approx 70,000 to 15,000. So if I zoom in, then I hope you can clearly see the first Fibonacci, the 0.382 level. This level is coming exactly at $36,000. This pink line here, see this 0.38 through. And now if I switch to the second Fibonacci, then I hope you all know that the 0.5 and 618 is a very important zone for the Bitcoin price, and this zone is also lying in the range of, I can say, 32,000 to max 36,000. So in common, I can say that $36,000 is a very important level for Bitcoin, and if it breaks this to the upside with a huge volume, or I can say a weekly candle closing to the upside, then it can easily go to the next common level of both the Fibonacci, which I will show you. So if I switch back again to the first Fibonacci, then the 0.5 and 618 important zone here, this important zone is coming at approx from 41,000 to 48,000. Same $48,000 level, very important, this one. And here also the first level, the 1 and 0 are the most important levels of a Fibonacci. This is a very important tip that I want to give you guys, and do note this, because if you have drawn the Fibonacci correctly, then the 0 and 1 will act as a very important levels also. So that is what I'm saying, that if the price of Bitcoin breaks $36,000 with a perfect retest or a big volume candle, then it can easily go all the way up to $48,000 level. Then the bulls will get stimulated easily, and then their target will be all the way up to $48,000 level, and it is a very immense target for them right now. So I hope you understand this, and if you want to deep down on this analysis more, if you want to do some plethora of analysis on this, then you can visit my Twitter and you can have a look at this image also. I have posted this image. You can follow me on Twitter, link is in the description. This is my Twitter profile right here, so you can follow me on my Twitter as well. So as guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that these are some of the very small analysis that can give a huge impact, and no one is talking about them, and these are important analysis, and there are chances that these can get activated, and if that happens, then the price will fall heavily to the downside. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do follow me on my Twitter as well to get latest trade update, and also my stellar trade right now is going in pure profits. If you want to have a look on my trade, and if you have to get updated on my stellar trade, then do follow me on my Twitter. I will there post my trade update on stellar and what I'm doing and how I'm managing my trade. And if you want to do it yourself, trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stellar, Chainlink, any crypto you want, you can do that easily on Bybit. The link of Bybit is at the top of the description. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free. You can create an account for free also.